or your last week topic? Euro? Maingay?
I learned, ma'am, that there are three parts of the small intestine din po. And
Okay.
the stomach is a large J-shaped organ at the end of the esophagus.
Okay. So, intestine is part of digestive system, of human digestive system. So, a digestive system or human digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract. It's all about your tummy. It's all about our tummy, di ba? So, the process of digestive system starts with the mouth. Okay? So, the main organs that make up the digestive system in order for their function are the mouth, the esophagus, yung ating dinadaluyin ng pagkain. Then, from esophagus, it comes into your stomach. Dun sa tiyan natin, merong mga different kinds of intestine. Ito yung small intestine and the large intestine. Ito yung bituka. Okay. Kumakain ba kayo nito? Hmm? Iisaw. Okay, so yan ay small intestine ng manok. So sa tao, syempre hindi kinakain. And from the stomach, the food comes out into the rectum and anus, which is ito yung nilalabasan ng ating mga dumi. So, that is all about the process of digestive system. Okay? So, shall we start? Okay, Science 6 Q2 W4. Okay, so today we're going to deal with the different parts and function of excretory system and nervous system. Here's the most essential learning competencies. At the end of the lesson, I'm expecting you to explain how the organs of each organ system work together. And at the end of the lesson, you will also explain how the different organ systems work together. Okay? So let's proceed. The parts and the function of the excretory system and nervous system. Okay, so did you see this picture? Do you see this picture?
Opo.
Yes.
Okay, so ano
Yes po.
nakikita nyo sa ating ano pa ba? Wala naman. So anong nakikita nyo sa ating image for today? Hmm? Sabi nyo may nakikita kayo. So ano itong nakikita nyo? It's all about the
Organ.
Okay, it's all about the excretory organs in the human. So, in the past lessons, we talk about this. Tama ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, what is the specific topic for the skin structure? It's all about the integumentary part or the system. And the lungs, hindi pa natin natatackle yan. Okay, so, and this is the urinary system. Okay? These are the liver. Yung assign natin. And then, I have one question here. Why waste products must be excreted out of the body? By the way, what is the meaning of excretory or excretion? Anyone? Any guess? You can raise your hand. No one? May nag-raise? Wala. Si Jana.
Excretory system is the organ system that is responsible for eliminating waste from the body.
Okay, so when we say excretory or excretion, it is a method or a process of eliminating waste products in our body. Pag sinabing eliminating, tinatanggal or inilalabas sa ating katawan. Like for example, kapag tayo ay uminom ng tubig, di ba lahat naman tayo umiinom ng tubig? Sino hindi umiinom ng tubig dito? So, lahat tayo minom ng tubig. Okay. So, yung tubig na yan, si Kyle nagre-raise ng hand. Okay. So, yung tubig na yan, mapupunta sa ating katawan and magpo-proseso yan and then it becomes a urine. Si urine na yan, yung ihi, it's a product. What kind of product? What kind of product is the urine? Anong klaseng product yan? It's a waste product. Ibig sabihin, basura. Di ba pag sinabing basura, waste ay basura. Urine is also can be considered as waste product. At si ihi na yan o si urine na yan, dahil waste product siya, kailangan natin ilabas sa ating katawan. In what way? In this kind of system. Ay proseso system. Urinary system. Okay? So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng excretory. Eliminating waste product. So, ayan. Ito yung pinasa ni Jana. Excretory system is the organ system that is responsible for eliminating waste from body. Okay? Removal of this waste from the body is necessary because they become poisonous when they remain in the body for long. For example, sino dito ang matagal magpupo? Halimbawa, pag kumain kayo ngayon, mamaya di kayo magpupupo or bukas di kayo magpupupo. Susunod na araw pa kayo magpupupo. Okay. So, yun ay masama. Masama sa ating pangangatawan. Kasi yung waste product na dapat na ilalabas ng katawan natin ay nagiging lason sa ating katawan. Sabi dyan, poisonous when they remain in our body for long. Pag matagal na, kasi ang normal, sabi ni Dr. Ong, ang normal, pag normal na pagpupo natin ay yung pagkakain natin, tas maya meron na siyang waste product. So, napapalitan, ibig sabihin yung waste product na inilabas mo, yun pa yun kinain mo nung nakaraang ilang oras, nakaraang araw. So, dapat, once na kumain tayo, dahil napalitan na ng pagkain, meron tayong inilalabas. So, that is normal. Okay? Kapag 3 araw kayo hindi nagpupo, yan ay hindi na normal. So, anong dapat gawin? Baguhin ang lifestyle. Isa na rito ang uminom ng maraming tubig. Ilang baso sa isang araw? Anyone? Can raise your hand. Yes, Kobe.
8 po.
Okay, 8 glasses of water a day. So, para regular ang ating bowel movement. Okay, pagpupo. Okay, so the excretory works with other system and organs in the body. For example, the lungs is the respiratory system, eliminate water vapor and carbon dioxide through exhalation. Okay, so another method or ways for excretion of human is by respiratory system. So, in respiratory system, it removes the water vapor or the carbon dioxide through exhalation. Okay? Kapag tayo ang ini-inhale natin kapag tayo ang nag-i-inhale, ang nahigop natin na hangin ay oxygen. So, yung oxygen na yon kailangan dumadaloy sa ating dugo, sa ating katawan. At ang kailangan na ilabas ng ating katawan through air ay carbon dioxide. In what system? In respiratory system. What organ is responsible for respiratory system? Class, what organs or human organ is responsible for respiratory system?
Lungs.
Lungs, very good. Lungs is the human organ that is responsible for respiratory system. Okay? The digestive system removes feces or by the defecation from the large intestine. Ito yung feces, ito yung mga pagpupo. Okay? By defecation from the large intestine and through or out through the anus. Okay? Sa anus lumalabas ang ating dumi. Sa Tagalog, ang anus ay, ano sa Tagalog ang anus?
Puwet.
Puwet, very good, Kobe. So, yan ay puwet. Huwag kayong tatawa kasi yan ay normal. Lahat naman tayo ay may puwet, diba? Hindi normal kapag walang puwet. Kaya nga iba, di ba, may sakit kapag kailangan operahan, kailangan butasan. Kasi kailangan magkaroon ng excretion na tinatawag. Okay? Sabi dyan, kapag tayo ay kumain, kailangan mag-excrete din tayo. Mag-eliminate din tayo ng ating waste product sa ating katawan. Okay? Hindi lang yan, ang excretory. Meron din sa ating balat. In what ways? Or in what process? Through
Sweating.
sweating or perspiration. Pagpapawis. Okay? Perspiration is under integumentary system. Okay? So, kailangan nagpapawis tayo every day, every minute, lahat ng kilos natin, lalo na yung physical. Kapag tayo sumasayaw, normal na tayo ay pinagpapawisan. Kapag tayo ay tumatakbo, normal na tayo ay pinagpapawisan. Because that sweat is considered as waste product of human. Okay? Waste product siya, yung pawis. Okay? So that is excretory system. Okay? So let us proceed to the urinary system. Magulo kasi yung baby ko. Okay. Okay. So, urinary system is a part of the excretory system that collects and eliminates liquid waste. It consists of the left and the right kidneys, the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Okay? So, these are the organs that are responsible for urinary system. Kailangan tayo ay umiihi. Okay? So, through urinary system, ilalabas natin or na-eliminate natin ang mga liquid waste. Okay? Kasi, ang solid waste ay through what? Paglabas ng pupo. So, kapag liquid waste ay urinary system. Okay? Okay, so this is the structure of our urinary system. Okay? We have two kidneys. Yan, nakikita nyo. Kapag ang kidneys daw ay hindi pa damage, ang color niya, ibig sabihin healthy, ang color niya ay red. Reddish siya. Hindi naman sobrang red. Reddish. Kapag ang kidneys ay damage or meron ng problema, ibig sabihin, marami na siyang na-filter, marami na siyang bara, yan ay magkukulay brown or medyo dark brown. Okay? Papunta na sa black. Okay? And this is the ureter. Mamaya, titingnan natin what are the functions of these organs. Okay? The bladder. Hindi to gallbladder ha. Saan makikita yung gallbladder? Sa ating, yung last topic, sa ating digestive system. Ito ay ibang bladder. Urinary bladder. And it connects with the urethra or urethra. Okay? Okay, let us find out what are the function of urinary system. Let's define first the kidneys. Okay, I want you to read the kidneys. Chito. Yan, Chito, where are you? Chito? Wala si Chito? Okay, let's call Kyle. Kyle Biscocho. What is kidney? What is kidney?
Are being shaped organ that are
Approximately.
approximately 10 kilometer long and
No,
5 kilometers.
that is cm stands for centimeters. Okay? Pag sinabing long haba, cm or meters. Hindi siya kilometers. Hindi naman yung speed. Okay? Okay, continue, Kyle.
Mama?
Kyle?
And centimeters each day are found near your backbone. One on each side, they are the main excretory organs in the body. They eliminate water area and other waste product in the form of urine, a liquid waste that comes from your body. It is 95% water in which the waste products are dissolved.
Because. Okay, so I will read it again for you guys. Okay, kidneys are bean-shaped organs that are approximately 10 cm or centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide each. So, ang bawat isa daw ng ating kidney ay merong haba ng 10 sentimetro at merong lapad na 5 sentimetro. It is like a bean shape. Nakakita na kayo ng beans? Yung beans na nilalagay sa halo-halo. Yung matamis. Hello? Hello? Say yes or no. Nakakita na kayo ng beans?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes po.
Now, are you familiar with the beans? Okay, so si
Yes.
si kidney natin. Okay, very good. Okay, so si kidney natin, kidneys natin kasi dalawa siya. Okay? Functional yan. At pwede mawala yung isa, functional pa rin kung kahit isa na lang ang ating kidney. That is why marami sa mga kababayan natin na nangangailangan na nagbebenta ng kidney. Isang pang kidney dahil dalawa yung ating kidney. Pwedeng isa lang ang ating kidney. Basta healthy at gumagana. Okay, so going back, si kidneys daw ay parang bean shape. So kapares niya yung hugis niya ay parang beans. Okay? Meron siyang 10 sentimetrong haba at 5 sentimetrong lapad. Okay? They are found near your backbone. So, saan ba makikita ang inyong backbone? Sa ating
Likod.
sa likod. Very good. Sa ating likod. So, makikita ang ating kidneys sa malapit sa ating backbone on each side. So, isa lang ang ating backbone, di ba? So, let's say ito si backbone. Tapos, kidney meron nandito as kasi kidney na nandito. Left and right side. So, sabi ni Doc Willie, actually may napanood ako dati sa post niya, once na damage ang ating kidney, isa sa mga symptoms o signs, kapag tinapik mo yung likod mo, malapit sa backbone, kapag masakit, that means yan ay damage na. Pag sinabing damage, merong tama na ang ating kidney or hindi na healthy. Hindi na siya nagpa-function ng maayos. Okay? So, share ko lang yan ha. Okay, so there are the main excretory organs in the body. So, napaka-importante pala ng kidney sa ating excretory system. Bakit? Because they eliminate water, urea. Urea is chemicals na inilalabas ng ating katawan through waste product na tinatawag na urine. Yun yung urea. Okay? Urine. Kung may maririnig kayo sa agriculture, meron din yung urea na, anong tawag dyan? Chemical fertilizer. Kaya di ba marami nagsasabi, gusto mo lumago yung halaman mo, ihian mo. Because of this chemical, urea. Okay? And the other waste product in the form of urine. A liquid waste that passes from our body. It is 95% water in which the waste products are dissolved. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang pag-ihi daw ay puro tubig. So, kapag hindi tayo umiinom ng tubig, 8 glasses a day, hindi tayo makakaihi ng 95% na yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi malilinis ang ating kidneys kapag hindi tayo uminom ng maraming tubig or 8 glasses a day. Okay? Kasi yung ihi pala ay 95% tubig. Okay? So kapag ang iniinom natin ay puro Coke o ibang soft drinks, juices, nasa Tetra Pak, tinitimpla, ibig sabihin, hindi yan pala na ilalabas ng ating katawan. Okay? Hindi siya na-filter ng kidney. Okay? Na-filter siya, pero madali siyang bumara dito sa ating kidney. That is why some of our kababayan na medyo damage na ang kidneys ay hindi na maayos mag-function. Okay? Next. Okay, so this is structure of our kidney. Hindi natin ito i-tackle ha kasi hindi naman sakop na ating lesson. In your grade 7, grade 8, baka i-tackle nyo yan. Different kinds or different parts of kidney. Okay? So, ganito siya. Left and right. So, ganyan. Makikita siya sa likod ng sa tabi ng ating backbone. Okay. Kidneys should function properly to maintain a healthy life. Hindi lang waste products ang kanyang dinadala. Even in the blood carries waste products from the different parts of the body to the kidneys through renal arteries. So, hindi lang pala water ang eliminate niya or tinatanggal niya sa ating katawan. Even the blood carries waste products. Yung ating dugo ay sinasala din niya through renal arteries. So, renal arteries ay matatagpuan din sa kidneys. It is one of the parts. Okay? Our blood vessels leading to the kidneys. Inside the kidneys, the blood passes through the filtering units called nephrons. Okay? Kapag nagsasala na siya, marami ng nerves ang gumagana. Okay? Dumadaan sa pagsasala ang renal arteries, yung ating blood vessel sa kidney. Na nasa loob niyan, ang tawag dyan ay nephrons. Yung pagsala ng dugo ng ating blood vessels or the blood waste products. Where impurities such as urea, salts, and other toxins are filtered out. Okay? Kaya yung mga doktor ay pinagbabawalan tayong kumain ng maaalat kasi one of the toxins na sinasala ng ating kidney. Okay? So kapag si kidney marami nang nasala na asin, na sobrang asin, kasi yung asin, di ba, pagka namumumu siya, malalaki na, parang crystalline na siya. So kapag namuo na yan sa ating kidney, it will clot. Magkakaroon na ng clot. Okay? Babara na ang ating kidney, hindi na siya mag-function, mag-filter ng maayos, mag-function ng maayos. Madadamage na kapag na-damage ang kidney natin, hindi na tayo makakapaglabas ng ihi ng maayos. Yung ihi is waste product ng ating katawan na dapat ilabas. Okay? Kapag hindi siya nailabas, nagiging poison or magiging toxins na. Other substances such as water, glucose, ito yung sugar, glucose, and other nutrients are retained to the bloodstream through renal veins. Okay? The blood vessels that carry blood from the kidney. Okay? So, ang sinasala ni kidney sa ating dugo ay yung mga impurities. Pag sinabing impurities, yun yung mga large particles. Gaya ng urea, salts, and other toxins na pwede niyang salain. Yung mga malalaki. Nakakita na kayo ng strainer? Ha? Yes or no? Meron kayo sa bahay? Yung strainer na ginagamit ni nanay pang sala.
Yes po.
Okay,
Yes
so
po.
kapag si nanay ay naggagata,
Yes po.
yung original na gata, yung may nyog, diba ginagamitan natin ng pangsala ng strainer? So ano lang yun nasasala nung strainer? Diba yung sapal ng nyog, yung pinipiga mismo. Yan ay sapal ng nyog. Okay. So, yung sapal ng nyog, i-consider nyo yun as salt, sa urea. Yun ang ginagawa ng ating kidney. Inihiwalay niya, sinasala niya yung malalaking impurities o particles ng ating katawan. Yan ang kanyang sinasala para yung dumi lumabas sa ating katawan. Okay? So kapag si kidney ay napuno na ng mga toxins, kapag napuno na ng ating toxins sa ating kidney, it becomes damaged na. Hindi na siya magpa-function ng maayos. Okay? Magkakaroon na tayo ng sakit sa bato or different kinds of infection, kagaya ng usong-uso sa mga kabataan ngayon, yung UTI. Diba? Nagka-UTI na ba kayo? Hindi pa. So, yung mga naka-experience ng UTI, alam niyo na yan, di ba? Kung ano yung mga pinagbabawal sa inyo ng doktor. Kumain ng mga alat, uminom ng maraming soft drinks, yung mga matutamis, kasi damage na ang kanilang kidney. Okay? Kapag naagapan naman yan, pwede naman maagapan, madadala sa gamot. Kapag hindi na, magkakaroon ng infection ng inyong dugo. Okay, lalala na. It becomes illness. And illness becomes your ways to death. Okay? Maraming namamatay dyan. Yung kidney failure. Okay? Okay, let's go. Proceed to our next is ureters. When we say ureters, it is also part of our kidney. What are ureters? Rona. Andiyan ba si Rona? Rona. Fourteen lang tayo eh. Rona. Anyone who would like to read the ureters? Can raise your hand. Who would like to read? No one? Kobe Bryant. Yes?
Ureters are the tubes that are approximately 45 centimeter long each. They carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder, a pear-shaped muscular sac located in the pelvis, where urine is temporarily stored before elimination from the body. It can hold more than 2 cups of 470 milliliters of
Yes.
liquids. The urine flows through the urethra, a duct that is approximately 20 centimeter long in males at 5 centimeter long in females. A ring-shaped muscle around the urethra controls the flow of urine of the body through contraction.
Okay. So ureters are the tube. So tube siya ha. Hindi siya, para siyang tubo. Okay? Ang haba niya ay 45 centimeter bawat isa. Okay? Dalawa din to. Bakit siya dalawa? Kasi, Dalawa din ang ating, ilan ba kidney natin?
Dalawa po.
Okay, kasi
Dalawa po.
dalawa ang ating kidneys. That is why, dalawa din sila. Okay? Parehas dapat ang size. Okay? 45 centimeter long. Okay. It carries urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So, ito ay one-sided lang. So, okay, kung ano meron dito sa left side, meron din dito sa right side. Okay? So, this is the ureter. Okay? It connected to the, this is our kidney.
Kidneys.
And this is the ureter that connects kidney and the urinary bladder. Ito yung tinatawag na urinary bladder. Parang lobo yan. Okay? Parang lobo. Dito na pupunta ang ating wiwi na tinatawag. Okay? Okay, let's go back. Ureters, pear-shaped muscular sac located in the pelvis. Nakakita na kayo, sino nakakain na ng peras? Wala. Nakakain na kayo ng peras?
Opo.
Bagong
Hindi pa po.
yan.
Nakain na
Sa
po.
mga bilog ng, yan. Sa mga bilog na prutas natin na hinahanda ni nanay tuwing bagong taon. Ay para siyang peras. Ay, kung ang kidney ay parang beans, si ureter naman ay, ang shape niya ay parang peras. Okay? Where the urine is temporarily stored. Okay? So, bago pa pumutok ang ating pantom, nasa ano muna siya? Nasa ureter muna siya. I-store siya. Kaya niyang tumagal ng ilang oras. Kaya niya tumagal hanggat hindi lalampas ng 2 cups. Okay? So, ang wiwi na kaya niyang i-store, ang ureters pala, ay 2 cups lang. Okay? Can hold until more than 2 cups lang. Or 400 centimeters, 473 milliliter of liquid. Okay? Kapag yan ay napuno na, naging 500 ml na, or more than 2 cups, let's say 3 cups, puputok ng pantom nyo or yung urethra na tinatawag. Right? Okay? Urine flows to the urethra. Okay? Dadaloy na siya sa urethra, hindi na kinaya ni urinary bladder. Yan. A duct that is approximately 20 centimeter long. Okay? Para siyang lobo. 20 centimeter long lang pag lalaki. Kapag babae naman, ang haba niya ay 5 centimeter lang. So, mas kaya tumagal ng lalaki or magpigil ng wiwi ng lalaki kasi sa babae. Kasi yung kanilang duct na tinatawag or urethra ay mas malaki, mas marami na iimbak kaysa dito sa female. Okay? A ring-shaped muscle around the urethra controls the flow of the urine out of the body through contraction. Okay? So, sa loob ng urethra, doon sa palibot ng urethra, meron daw na muscle na tinatawag. Okay? Yung muscle na yon, siya yung nagko-control ng ating wiwi na inilalabas. Okay? For example, nawiwi kayo. Di ba? Yung wiwi natin, minsan hindi dire-diretso. Yan. Ay minsan napipigilan natin. It is because of this muscle. What do you call that muscle? Anyone? May tinatawag dyan na muscle.
Muscular.
Sa loob ng urethra, meron nagko-control ng wiwi natin. Okay? Ito sa Tagalog ay pantom. Okay? Ang
Kidneys.
tawag dyan sa Aside from kidney, nandito na tayo sa urethra. Palabas na yung wiwi. Lalabas na yung wiwi. Okay? So, yung wiwi na yun,
Gallbladder po.
meron, no?
Pelvic
Hindi.
floor muscle.
Hindi po. Ang tawag dyan, wala sa module nyo eh. Ang tawag dyan ay sphincter. Okay? Sphincter, ibig sabihin, ito yung pantog niya na ito yung nagko-control. A muscle that control of the flow of your urine out of the body through contraction. Di ba napipigilan niya yung wiwi? Sino to?
Opo.
MELC. Okay, it is because of that muscle. Ang tawag dyan ay sphincter. Okay? So, kanina nag-ano ako dito, whiteboard. Teka, I'll check kung kaya kong mag-whiteboard. Okay, ang tawag dyan ay wait lang. Okay. So, ang tawag dyan ay sphincter. Ang spelling ay sulat nyo. SPHINCTER. Sphincter.
Ano po, ma'am?
Nakuha? So, ang muscle, ang tawag din sa muscle na yan, nasa urethra is sphincter. SPHINCTER. Okay na? Nakuha na?
Double T po, ma'am.
Isa lang po. Sulat ka dito. Okay, yeah. So, ayan. I-copy nyo na lang mamaya, ha? Sa ating trivial lang yan. So, a muscle that is called a ring-shaped muscle around the urethra is what we call the sphincter. Okay? That controls the flow of the urine out of the body through contraction. Okay? So, that is ureter. Okay? So, this is the ureter and these are, sa ilalim yan ay urethra. Sa loob nitong urinary bladder ay wiwi. Kapag napuno na siya, lumampas na ng 2 cups or 473 milliliters, pupunta na siya sa urethra. Okay? Sa urethra, meron doong muscle na tinatawag a ring-shaped muscle, muscular muscle is what we call the sphincter. Yan yung nagko-control ng ating ng ating wiwi. Okay? So, any question before I play this video? No one. Wala. Okay, so I want you to watch and jot down some important notes, important details about this video. Okay? This is the process of how the kidneys, the urethra, and other organs in the urinary system works together.
www.makemegenius.com. If you want to see more science videos, go to www.makemegenius.com. Oh, yeah, it is free.
Stop. Do you know which system of your body takes the extra liquid out of your body? Did you know that most of the food we eat also contains a lot of liquid? But you don't know which parts of your body throw extra liquid out. Imagine what would happen if all the liquid stayed trapped in your body. So you think a blast would occur in your tummy if your body didn't get rid of extra liquid? It does not happen like that. The body has certain parts which take care of extra liquid. All these parts are part of the urinary system. This is also called the excretory system. Let's understand more. The main parts of the urinary system include two kidneys, ureters and bladder, and a urethra. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. All of the body's blood passes through it, and it filters the blood and waste liquid is changed into urine. The kidney is made up of several small cells called nephrons that are like small filters. They keep all the nutrients and good blood contained and convert waste into urine. From the kidney, this urine goes into two very thin tubes. These tubes are called ureters. From the ureters, it goes into a balloon-like organ called the bladder. When the bladder becomes full, then you feel like going to the washroom to pee. From the bladder, it passes out of the body from a part called the urethra. Oh, it seems your bladder is full too. Do you want to go to the washroom? Can you hold it in for some time? Do you know which muscle helps you to stop pee for some time? There is a muscle lining around the bladder called the sphincter. It stops and holds the flow of urine until you reach the washroom. Okay, go empty your bladder now. Goodbye.
Okay, so naintindihan ba ang video?
Opo.
Okay, very good. So that is the system or the process of the urinary system or the excretory system. Again, what is excretory system? Before we proceed to nervous system, what is excretory system? Anyone could raise your hand. Raise your hand. Anyone? Kuha ng notes. Yes, si Jana. Again, Jana. Wala bang iba? Okay, Jana.
Yung excretory system po, yun yung po nag-eliminate ng waste from the body.
Okay, it is eliminating or removing the waste product in our body. Okay, so let's proceed to our next topic. It is all about the nervous system. Okay, so the nervous system is the control or the central unit or control unit of the body. Okay, so the nervous system is, without this, the nervous system, our body becomes null. Okay, become null. Okay, ibig sabihin ng null, walang kwenta. Okay, kung ang ating nervous system ay damaged or not functioning well. Okay, its function is to integrate and coordinate bodily activities. That is why you can move freely. You can dance, you can sing, you can ride, you can sit, you can walk. Okay, just because of your nervous system. It coordinates the activities and communicates with the sense organs and the other body system through the wire like nerve cells or neurons that transmit messages pass through the spinal cord to the brain and back to the nerve cells or neurons for the interpretation of the senses. Meaning to say, the nervous system is connected to the brains and the spinal cord and also the nerve cells. Okay? So without this kind of system, our body is futile. Ibig sabihin is futile, nonsense, walang kwenta. Kasi hindi tayo makapag-interpret ng senses. Okay? So what are the 5 senses of our body? Huh? 5 senses. Sense of what? Anyone? Sense of? Yung mata, anong sense yan? Sense of?
Brain.
Ha?
Sight.
Sense of sight. Sense of another senses.
Sound.
Sound.
Sound ba yan? Sense of?
Hearing.
Hearing. Another one,
Smell.
smell. Ano pa? Sense of
Taste.
taste and sense
Touch.
of sense of pag tinurot kayo.
Touch.
Touch. Ayan, nakalimutan nyo na yan, no? Yung, anong grade ba? Grade 3 yata yan. Okay, so, it is because of our nervous system. The brain, the spinal cord, and also the nerve cells. Okay? Sila yung nagpo-function to coordinate with our different kinds of body. Okay? So, pag sinabi ng utak, gumalaw ka kamay, gagalaw yan. In just a seconds, gagalaw yan. Okay? This because may coordination yung kamay nyo, yung nerve cell, papunta doon sa ating backbone or spinal cord, papunta sa ating brain or nervous system. That is how the nervous system works together. Okay? Okay. So let us go deeper with the brain. The brain, what is the brain? Meron ba kayong brain? Sino yung nag-erase? Si Kyle, may brain daw siya. So what is brain, Kyle?
The brain is an amazing organ that performs different functions such as processing memory, judgment, and
Judgment.
reasoning.
Reasoning.
It controls body movement, emotions, feels and vital,
Vital.
vital,
Sign.
vital sign of life such as breathing, the brain.
Breathing. Breathing, paghinga.
Breathing, the brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem,
Or
or the medulla oblongata.
Bulongata. Okay, so the brain is an amazing organ that performs different functions. Amazing daw ang ating brain. Okay, kaya pag sinabihan tayo, ang buo-buo natin, wala tayong utak, hindi totoo yun. Okay? Lahat ng tao ay merong brain na tinatawag. Hindi nga lang natin minsan madalas nagagamit ng tama. Pero lahat tayo merong amazing brain or amazing organ na tinatawag, which is the brain. Okay? Anong ginagawa ni brain? Okay? Brain has a different function such as processing memory. That is when nakakapag-memorize tayo, nakikilala natin yung mga friends natin, nakikilala pa natin sila kahit nung nasa kinder pa tayo, kahit nasa nursery pa tayo, until now, grade 6 na tayo, grade 6 na kayo, nakikilala niyo pa rin sila because of our brain. Okay? We can easily judge. Okay? Na kapag sabi din tayo, at ang kulay ng ganito ay ganito. Okay? Ang kulay ni ganito ay ganito. Okay? So, it's because of our brain. And we can reason out. Okay? Kapag kinakausap tayo, we can say something na makakapag reason out tayo. Sabihin yan, nakakapag-explain tayo ng different kinds of reasoning. Okay? Brain also controls the body movement. Kaya sinabi ko kanina, kapag sinabi ng brain, hindi man literally sabihin ng bibig, sinasabi ng brain na gumalaw ka pa, gagalaw yan. Diba? Hindi man sabihin literally ng brain na tumulat ka kamay, sulat yan. Okay? Sabi dyan, it controls the body movement. Even emotion or feelings, and also the vital sign of life, which is the breathing. Even yung paghinga natin ay controllable din ng ating brain. Kapag sinabi ni brain, tumigil ka na puso, hindi ka mahal nun. Hindi ka. So pag sinabi ng brain na tumigil ka na puso sa paghinga, titigil yon. Kasi sinabi na ng ating nervous system ng brain natin. Okay, this is the central processing unit. Kung ang central processing unit ng computer ay CPU, ang central processing unit naman ng tao ay brain. Okay? The brain has three main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem or the medulla oblongata. Okay? Let us determine what are the parts or the different or the major parts of the brain. Okay? So when we say the cerebrum fills up most of our skull. So ito yan. Buong skull natin, ano ba sa Tagalog ng skull? Bungo ay merong cerebrum. Yung utak natin ay nababalutan ng cerebrum. Sabihin, this is the largest part of our brain. Okay? So it is involved in remembering, problem solving, thinking, and feeling. So cerebrum ang gumagana kapag tayo ay nag-aaral. Kailangan natin ingatan sa cerebrum. It also controls movement also. Kasi nga, largest part siya ng ating utak or the brain. Okay? The cerebellum naman, ito siya. Okay? We can locate this or our cerebellum at the back of our head. Sa likod ng ating ulo, nandito si cerebellum. Ano naman function niya? The cerebellum sits at the back of your head. So, kapain nyo yung inyong ulo sa likod. So, nandyan ang ating cerebellum. It controls the coordination and the balance. So, nandyan pala yung balance natin sa cerebellum na tinatawag sa part ng utak natin. Okay? Kung kapag tayo nag-aaral, si cerebrum ang gumagana, sa movement naman natin, si cerebellum ang gumagana. Okay. The last one is the brainstem or what we call the medulla oblongata. The brainstem sits beneath your cerebrum. Magkatabi sila ni cerebellum. Okay? So, in front of your cerebellum, it connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls automatic function. Okay? So, si brainstem, kaya siya stem, parang stem ng halaman, kinoconnect niya yung ating brain, cerebrum, cerebellum sa ating spinal cord. Which is, si spinal cord naman, ang nagko-coordinate sa ating different parts of our organs. Okay? Kaya, nagkakaroon ng mabilisang pass-through ng message na mensahe agad na, okay, pag sinabing huminga ka puso, hihinga agad yan. Dahil merong brainstem na tinatawag. Ito yung nagko-connect sa ating spinal cord and the brain. Okay? The function, breathing, digestion, the heart rate, and even the blood pressure. Okay? So, that is the main part of the brain. Okay, so another organ in the nervous system is the spinal cord. Ito yung kanina ko pa sinasabi. Saan ba matatagpuan ang spinal cord? Sa ating
Likod.
likod. Very good. It connects the different parts or organs in our body, ha? Kaya halaga ng ating spinal cord. Kapag yan na-damage, magkakaroon ng paralyze. Mapaparalyze ang ating buong katawan. Kasi hindi na siya magkoconnect sa ating brain. Okay? It is a cord-like material inside the backbone. So, para siyang mahabang cord. It bridges the impulse between the brain and the body. This means all the signals that go to and from the brain pass through the spinal cord and deliver it to the right muscles and senses. Okay? That is why, ang dali natin kapag tayo ay tumikim ng isang pagkain. Pag natikman natin ang, halimbawa, ang sinigang ni nanay, ang asim, ang sarap. dali natin masabing masarap at maasim kasi nagko-connect agad yung sense of taste natin sa ating brain. Kapag nag-connect agad sa ating brain, ngayon, magme-message yung brain kung anong lasa. So, masasabi natin agad na maasim. So, ganun ka-impulse, ganun kabilis ang passing through ng messages nilang dalawa. The brain and na dumadaan sa ating spinal cord na nagko-coordinate naman sa ating different organs. Okay? This means all the signals go to and from the brain, pass through the spinal cord and deliver it to the right muscles and senses. Okay? That is the function of our spinal cord. Next. Okay, so this is the structure of our spinal cord. Yan, pa ganyan. Kaya, ingatan ang ating spinal cord. Lalong-lalo na yung mga lalaki na may limang basketball. Ibuto yan eh. Okay. Cord siya. Okay. Connected siya sa lahat ng parte ng ating katawan. Okay. Neuron is also another example or organ in the nervous system. Ano bang trabaho ng neuron? It is a wire-like organ, para siyang wire, that is found all over the body. Nakita niyo mga ugat-ugat nyo sa katawan? Inside the roots or the ugat na yan ay may tinatawag na neurons. Okay, sa ating mga ugat, ating blood vessels. Okay, its main function is to deliver messages within the nervous system and between other body systems. Okay? So, diyan nagpa-pass through din ang ating different kinds of ang tawag dyan, diyan dumadalo yung messages. Okay? Na ipinapadala ni brain, once na, halimbawa, nag-touch tayo ng mainit na, halimbawa, hindi natin alam na mainit yung kawali. Tapos, nahipo natin ng ganun. Anong impact nun? What is your first reaction? Anyone?
Papaso.
Mapapaso ka, of course. What is your first reaction? Bakit ka napaso? Anong naramdaman mo, Dan?
Nasaktan.
Saktan. Bakit kaya? Why do you think so, Dan?
Sobrang
Yes.
init ng
Sobrang init. Kobe, another answer.
Mainit po kasi.
Kasi mainit. So, sa palagay nyo, sino nagsasabi ng mainit? Yung nahawakan nyo. Without knowing na mainit pala yung kawali na nahawakan nyo. Yes,
masakit
Kobe.
po.
Masakit. Sino nga sino nagsabi sa wala nagsabi ni nanay nyo, hindi nagsabi na mainit yun. Nahawakan nyo, kaya nyo nalaman na mainit. Paano nyo nalaman? Kasi nahawakan nyo. It is because, kanina nagtataas si,
To the brain.
to the brain. Kobe,
Brain po.
it is because of the brain. And, dumaan agad yung init na yun sa neuron nyo. Okay? Yung heat na nahawakan nyo, yung init, dumaan sa nerve cells natin, nerve cells nyo, papunta doon sa brain. Hindi nyo pa alam na mainit, ha? Pagkapunta doon sa brain, yung init na yun yung brain na nagsabi sa inyo na hot yun. Mainit yun, kaya nyo naramdaman na mainit. So, ganun kabilis yung passing through ng messages nila. Okay, mabilis. Kasi seconds, ganun. Ano lang, flash lang siya. Flash lang. Okay? It is divided into 3 parts. The axon, the cell body, and the dendrites. Neurons can be classified based on the direction in which they send information. These can be sensory neurons, motor neuron, and interneuron. Okay, so ito yung nagsasabi ng messages. Okay, hindi niya sinasabi literally. Kagaya ng kanina example ko, hindi nyo alam na mainit yung kawali na hawakan nyo. Paano nyo nalaman na mainit? Kasi nahawakan nyo. Kasi sinabi ng neurons nyo sa brain. Pinarating niya yung message doon sa brain at yung brain ang nagsabi na mainit yun. Kaya naramdaman yung mainit. It is sensory neuron. Okay? At ang reaction niya ay lumayo kayo agad. Diba napapalayo tayo agad kapag may nahawakan tayo mainit, nabibigla tayo. It's also because of motor neuron. Okay? Yung relationship ng neuron doon sa hap ng hinahawakan nyo. Okay? That is the function of neuron. Okay? So, this is the structure of neuron. Hindi na natin iisa-isain to kasi hindi naman siya sakop ng ating lesson. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung structure. Ganito. Maugat. Parang ugat-ugat siya. Okay? Na dumadaloy sa ating, na meron sa ating katawan, dinadalo yan ng messages. Okay? Okay. Any question from the nervous system?
No, ma'am.
Pa?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay, so I want you to jot down again the important details in the video. This is also the process of the nervous system. Paano siya, paano na-function ng ating nervous system? Okay. Okay, so did you understand the video? Okay, so yun yung nervous system, how the nervous system works together with different uh, with different organs. The brain, the spinal cords, and the neurons. So, yung tinatawag na peripheral cell. Okay? Peripheral nerve cell. Okay? So, any questions from our lesson for today?
No, ma'am. Wala po.
None so far. Okay, so I want you to answer. So, are you ready for your activity exercises? Yes or no? Are you ready for your activity for today?
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay, kasi, ano, para makagawa kayo ng maayos, hindi na tayo mag-Q&A dito, ha? Okay, so, I want you to answer the learning task 1. It is identification. Identify what is being described. Choose the best answer. Okay, choose the best answer. Answer only on your notebook, ha? Okay, then after this, papacheck nyo kay nanay o kay ate, kay kuya, kay tatay, kung sino kasama nyo dyan sa bahay, yung correct answer. Papacheck nyo yung gawa na. Okay? And I want you to do the learning task 2. Determine if each sentence is correct or incorrect. Kapag correct daw, put or write here C. Kapag hindi naman correct, encircle the words that makes wrong. At isusulat niyo dito sa patlang, dito sa line na to, yung correct term. Halimbawa dito, the cerebrum is the largest part of the body. For example, incorrect yan. Ay, mali yung cerebrum, di naman largest part of the brain. Okay? Bibilugan ko si cerebrum, ilalagay ko si brain. Example lang yun, ha? Okay? Naintindihan?
Opo.
Okay. Any question from the learning task 2? Wala?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Wala po.
Okay. Siguro tapos na kayo dyan. Okay. Learning task 3. Answer the question by writing true or false. If it is false, kagaya ng gagawin yung ginawa nyo kanina sa 2, replace the underlined word with the correct word. Halimbawa, the nervous system is the control system of the body. Let's say, ay false yan. Anong susulit ko dyan? Yung correct answer. Halimbawa, ang correct answer ay urinary system. Halimbawa yan. Okay? Kapag true naman yan, edi lalagay nyo lang true. Okay? Then, after answering learning tasks 1, 2, 3, and 4, ito 4, number the sentence from 1 to 5 to show the direction of information to reach the desired response to the given stimulus. Nanumberan nyo lang. So, paano ba nadadala yung message from the brain to the different parts of the organ? Okay? Parang sequence to. Okay? Kung ano yung unang nangyayari, kung ano yung sumunod ng nangyari, kung ano yung huling nangyari. Okay? Then, after answering learning task 1 to 3, ipapacheck niyo yan kung sino yung kasama niyo sa bahay. Okay, be honest ha. Okay. Hindi ko man kayo nakikita naman kayo ni na nasa itaas niyo, nasa second floor niya. Okay? Next, I also want you to answer the activity sheet. Match the organ with the function in the table below. Okay? Ito yung mga organs and these are the functions. Ito yung choices organs. Sa pagpipilian nyo, susulat nyo. These are organs maintain a healthy life through ganon-ganon sa Bachenes. Then halimbawa, ang sagot ko ay brain. Pipili lang kayo dito ng correct answer. Okay? And these are for number 10, activity worksheet. And the last one is subject productive. I want you to answer lang ha. The following question, based on what you have learned, do it on your science notebook. Halimbawa na ipasa niyo yung science notebook niyo kanina or ngayon. Saan niyo ilalagay ito?
Sa papel po.
Yung iba naglalagay sa papel. Pwede naman yun. Basta may pangalan. Tapos, i-stapler nyo doon sa house nyo. Or pwede, di ba meron namang blank doon sa ibaba, sa likod ng house nyo? Pwede nyo nang sagutan yan doon. Nandun din naman yung questions dyan. Answer nyo na lang sa pinakababa. Okay? I want direct answer. Ayoko ng paligoy. Kasi kapag marami kayong paligoy, lumalayo pa yung sagot nyo. Okay? At the end, mali yung sagot nyo. Napakahaba. Parang nobela. Okay? Number 1, what is the function of the excretory system? Ano na yung function? Ano ba yung trabaho ng excretory? Bakit ba kailangan nun sa ating katawan? Number 2, how do the kidneys filter the blood? Paano ba siya nasi-filter? Paano ba yung sinasala yung dugo? Diba? And number 3, what is the function of our nervous system in human body? Gaano ba sila kahalaga? Ano ba yung kahalagahan niya? Ano ba yung trabaho niya sa ating katawan? Okay? Naintindihan? Naintindihan po? Okay, very good. So, kailan ito ipapasa? Activity worksheet number 4 and task 4. Performance task 4. ipapasa ito sa Monday kung meron kayong retrieval sa Monday. Depende kay advisor nyo, kay Ma'am Amalin, kung magkakaroon kayo ng retrieval sa Monday. Kasi busy din si Ma'am Amalin pagka meron siyang feeding. Okay? So, mahirap itong sabay. Okay? So, antayin nyo lang yung update na advisor kung kailan ang susunod na retrieval niyo. Di ba kaka-retrieval niyo lang kanina? Tama ba?
Opo.
Okay. So, hindi po pa nakita yung hotel niyo. Okay. So, by Thursday, sana may pasa niyo na lahat kasi by Thursday mag-check ako. Okay, pati itong performance task. Okay, so did you learn something from
Yes,
our
ma'am.
lesson? Okay, very good. So, see you. Sana bukas makapag online class ulit tayo tomorrow. Okay, gusto ko
Sana po.
online class tomorrow. Ha? Okay, so see you tomorrow or by next Tuesday. Okay, goodbye class.
Goodbye po,
Bye.
ma'am.
Okay,
Goodbye po, Ma'am Jackie.
Bye
13,
po.
14.
Bye po. Bye po.
Po.
Bye.
Bye po.
Bye po.
Bye na, bye na.